Hi.
Marami.
We're on our first coloring session. So
Surgical session. Should correct that.
here's my stylist.
How are you doing?
Say hi.
Hello, Philippines. If you need a
And
stylist,
he's wearing a surgical mask. I don't know why.
just call on Steve-O Baclato. Yan, okay na siya. Sunod. What's next?
Next layer. Want me to help you?
Huh?
Next layer. Ako na lang maghati ng ano.
That's this.
So now we're on our second layer.
Twist the intestines, the hair vessels.
Your vessels. What the
We're gonna proceed with our next
incision.
section.
So, Doc, how long have you been dyeing hair?
You might be surprised that this would be my first.
Really, huh?
Yeah, but
Seemed so professional already.
yes, I'm a pro in everything I do. I also do plumbing. Also DI, if you need someone to dance to. Okay. I can also do tattoo. I'm an all-around guy. I'm Steve of all trades.
Oh,
Hanggang saan to si sa taas?
yeah.
Dito?
Siyempre, alam mo yung
Kala ko parang highlights kasi.
no.
Hindi, pero ano, abot, sobra-sobra to si. Ubusin natin to. Okay, paliguruan. Ano mo, papaliguan na lang kita mamaya na to.
Mamaya hindi pantay-pantay.
Malaga dito yung ano yun, sa labas.
Smells good.
Manifest pa rin yung buhok mo lang, no, pag nabasa.
Kapal yan.
Kaya, mga kasi by, ano, the layer. Wow. To make a commercial. It's like I'm taking my old bike.